just common mental health conditions like depression and anxiety is sitting above 40%. Post-traumatic stress is sitting around 20 to 25%. Those are figures that are typically associated with soldiers coming back from combat. But the reality is that a lot of young people in South Africa grow up in such dire straits that their trauma exposure is sufficient for them to have post-traumatic stress. And if we look at parallel to that, suicide ideation, again, incredibly high. And then seeking temporary oblivion in high-risk activities like substance use and binge drinking, etc., sits around 80%. And I think all of this, if you start thinking about this, has profound implications, not just from a healthcare perspective, but obviously from an education, employability, workforce readiness, and long-term just societal resistance perspective.